catalyst. Catalyst is a chemical substance which can enhance the rate of reaction. What is rate? Rate is an experimental quantity which is measured by only experiment, which cannot be measured theoretically. Okay. Rate of reaction is an experimental species. Okay. And the catalyst is a chemical substance which can enhance the rate of reaction. Okay. If we react carbon dioxide with water, we can get the product carbonic acid, H2CO3. Without using the catalyst, we can obtain only 200 molecules per hour. But if we use the catalyst, carbonic anhydrase, which is found in human RBC, means human red blood cell, then the molecule which is obtained is 6 lakh molecules per minute. By this equation, we can see that how a catalyst can enhance the product from 200 molecules per hour without catalyst to 6 lakh molecules per minute. And the product is carbonic acid. And the catalyst name is carbonic anhydrase, found in human RBC. This is an example, best written example of catalysis. The name of chemical substance is catalyst, and the process by which it can enhance the rate is called catalysis. Then, if all catalysts can enhance the reaction, no. There is two types, positive catalyst and negative catalyst. The positive catalyst can enhance the reaction, but the negative catalyst inhibit the progress of reaction. So, the negative catalyst is also called inhibitor. And also name is catalytic poison. Okay. Here we obtain a graph. Every molecule has its specific energy. If we see a chemical equation, there is reactant and there is product and there is reaction environment. If this reactant has some specific energy and this product has some specific energy, if we obtain the energy with the progress of reaction in x and y axis consecutively, we can see that always the sub-reaction of the reactant, energy of the reactant is always in higher side and the energy of the product is always in lower side. But here some conception where the energy of reactant is lower side but energy of product is higher side. Here we understand that this reaction where the product energy is in lower side is always feasible reaction. Feasible reaction means which reaction happen radial. But here where reactant energy is lower than the product energy, it is not feasible reaction. It is only happen by some external agent like heat, light or electrolysis. Okay. If we obtain the graph or if we understand the progress of reaction, then we can find that here is two energy, one reactant and one product. When the reaction starts, what happens? The collision between the reactant molecule starts and the reactant energy is growing. At a certain moment, the energy of the reactant at that maximum level. And then, when we obtain the product, then that energy continually decreases. And here is also reactant to product. The maximum push energy which the molecule of reactant can obtain is called activation energy. The main function of positive catalyst is reducing the activation energy so that the substance of the reactant easily achieve the energy and forming the product. So the number of product is more and more in presence of catalyst. Okay. Catalyst is a chemical substance which is fully unchanged during the reaction. Before the reaction and after the reaction, his state is fully unchanged. Okay. This energy, which is the energy of activation, this energy of activation is discovered by scientist Arrhenius. So it is also called Arrhenius energy. Complete.